All right, this is Eric with Six Figure RV Lifestyle, and in this video I just wanted to kind of let y'all in on my journey of how we went from living in a home, how I was a struggling electrician, barely making ends meet. At that time I was making $25 an hour as a professional electrician. I had my master's license, but working for a company, I was just basically with a one income family. My wife, we chose and she chose to work from home, and so we just pretty much struggled week to week to week. I had, at the time I had 3 kids and still have 3 kids, but just with a family of 5 and one income, try to put your kids through a, private school at the time. And it was very, very taxing. I remember many times having to, work things out with my landlord while we rented a house, and it was just very difficult situations. There was many times that didn't know what I was going to do. Didn't know how I was going to pay the bills, how we was going to pay the car payments, how we was just going to even put food on the table sometimes. I remember specifically heating up, because we wasn't able to pay the gas bill. They came and shut it off, and I remember heating up water in the microwave. Thank God that we had electricity at the time. But I remember heating up water out of the microwave just to get some hot water to be able to take a bath in for my family. And those times were rough. I grew up in a single wide trailer, and I would like to say that we had everything that we needed, not everything that we wanted, but thank God we had what we needed. So any of these things that I say about how I made it to 6 figures a year, over 6 figures a year, didn't come from somebody handing it to me. It didn't come from having a silver spoon in my mouth. I never inherited any kind of money, nothing like that. Just basically just hustled and went after what I got, and basically became a self-made millionaire, just doing it on my own and just going through the struggles. I had many failures, but this video is just kind of real quick to tell you how I got from to where I am today, to basically being a broke electrician to being a full-time RVer by choice. Okay, many times people think those who live in an RV, they call them trailer trash. They think because they don't have money, that's all they can afford. No, we do this by choice. Okay, we could for sure live in $1 million home if we wanted to, but who wants to spend all their money and be in that kind of debt? So we chose to be able to have the lifestyle to be able to travel where we want to travel, see different sites, enjoy more quality and family time, instead of just being stuck at one place and just having to struggle week to week just to be able to pay those bills, when we could live a whole lot cheaper. We got a little Road Warrior here, 43 foot fifth wheel, and this is where we live full time out of, and we absolutely love it. We're able to do more, have more quality time with our family, but we just started this not too long ago, and we're absolutely loving it. But back in 2013, it was December 2013, as I said, I was in the electrical industry doing electrical work for a company, and we had just got real slow. And I remember specifically having to call the landlord, having to call different places that we were buying furniture and our car payments, and having to call and work things out. And at the time we was already way behind. Okay, and I got to the point to where I didn't know what to do. I tried different ways to make money online. I tried doing YouTube. I tried doing blogging, trying to make money like that. I tried to do network marketing, the pyramid stuff, where you get people signed up under you, and you had to harass your family and your friends. I tried that with different companies and made a little bit of money, but never nothing really to be financially free with. We just didn't. So it was always a struggle. But I remember specifically one day, December of 2013, I remember going upstairs in the bonus room where I had my computer, where I had worked on many different things to try to make money online. And so I went up there and I just pretty much put my head down. And I'm a praying man. We are a Christian family, family of 5, and I just started praying, asking God for help, help me to provide. Everybody's looking to me as the provider of the family, to bring the bread, to pay the bills. I didn't like that my wife would worry about things, and so I just really was desperate for a way to make some kind of supplemental income. Okay, whether it was just $500 extra a month or $1,000 extra a month. So I got to searching, and I found this guy. His name was Chris Record, I believe, and this was back in 2013. and he was making over 10 grand a month just selling t-shirts online, okay? When I first heard that, I was a little bit skeptical, as I am with all things, and I'm sure that you are. Any of these kind of money-making opportunities that come across your path, it's okay to be skeptical, because that's not your fault, okay? Because there's so many things out there that people are just trying to take your money, they're trying to sell you this, sell you that, and really they're just trying to rip you off. They ain't really been there themselves. But I saw this guy had screenshots, he had proof of the income that he was making. So I grabbed this course. Now listen, at this time, I didn't have no money in the savings. We had a little bit of money, not much. And so what I actually had to do was, I was able to get a couple side jobs, and I took that money and I bought this course that he was selling, because there was something that I just believed that if I did it, I just felt that it would work, okay? So I bought that course for $497. And if I knew what I knew now, that course would have been worth over $10,000, because I had made, from what that course started and what it started producing in my life, I have done over, I would say nearly $1 million in sales, probably $500,000 or more in profit, okay, since pretty much the beginning of 2014. And I started off at, I was still doing electrical work. I was putting about 1 to 2 hours every day into my business, and to selling, and basically it was just selling products on Facebook, specifically t-shirts. And I grabbed that course and I went through it step by step. The very first week, okay, I have the check, and I may post that below. You click the link below this video. And first off, do me a favor, if you're a full-time RVer, or if you want to be a full-time RVer, if you want to be able to travel the country and you just need to find a way to make, a very, very good income from just needing a laptop or computer, a bank account, Facebook, click the link below the video, and I'm gonna have a very special offer for you. I'm gonna have tons of stuff for free that I believe can get you going in the right direction. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, okay? I'm gonna start putting at least 3 times a week. I'm gonna try to put videos up that is gonna help you make an additional income stream, being a full-time RVer, okay? Or temporary, whatever you do. Whoever watches this video, don't matter, to help you. And so my very first check, okay, I didn't pay any money in Facebook ads. I basically came up with a design. I designed it myself, and trust me, I'm not a good designer. I pay people $5 per design now to get something designed for me. I'm telling you, those designs look awesome. If you click the link below the video, I'll show you kind of how to do all that through the course. And my very first week, I made $975, okay? And I wasn't really sold yet until, or my wife wasn't either, until we saw the check. I told her how much money I made, and I wanted to see the check in the mail first. Well, the check came, I was sold, my wife was sold, and it was game on. Okay, my first month, I went on to do just over $4,000 in profit, and then it went on from there to where I was making $10,000 a month in profit in my 6 months, and then it grew from there. There were some months where I was selling products on Facebook that I did over $20,000 in profit, especially around Christmas time. But basically that's how I got to where I am. Since then, we have became full-time RVers. We moved out of our house because we just wanted to be able to travel more. And now I had a way that it enabled me to have the freedom, the time freedom, not to be bound to a job, not to be bound at somebody's office, or, at my point, it was an electrical career where I had to go to Atlanta every day to do my work. I wasn't bound to that no more. I couldn't, we couldn't travel if I was going to stay being an electrician. I had to basically find a way to make some money online, and that's what I did. And so now we're able to do pretty much whatever we want to do, because we could go, overseas if we wanted to, because all I need now is a bank account. I just need Facebook, and I need, a computer, with some decent Wi-Fi, internet, however you get internet. And so what I've actually been able to do is I put, at the time, there was one point that I actually, while being an electrician, I was teaching other electricians how to be financially free by making money online. And I developed a course because I was having literally, I had so many people coming to me wanting to know how to make money online, that somebody recommended, hey, why don't you put a course together? And I sold that course for $497 because it was the same price I bought my course. And this course way over exceeded the course that I bought, because I have literally invested probably over $10,000 in training and just the knowledge to be able to learn, to be able to grow with, to be able to sell things online. It always changes. You always got to keep learning. And So I put together this course, and at the time the course was called TDomination, and I sold a lot. I put literally probably over 2,500 students through that, and so that was yet another way to make money online. I've sold Kindle books that I didn't even write. I had somebody else write for me. I've done I made money through affiliate marketing. I made money at being an Amazon associate. Those are all very valuable ways to make money that actually does work. I made money drop shipping products directly from China. And you know, if you subscribe to my channel, I have different videos in here that teaches you how to do those things. But the number one way that I have made money online that really, you know, answered that question for my family and for me was selling t-shirts on Facebook. Okay, because to me, it's like one of the entry points on making money online is just learn how to sell, find something to sell, and learn how to do Facebook ads. And once I learned how to sell t-shirts, I was able to sell coffee mugs, I was able to sell leggings, tungsten rings, Yeti cups, just different things that I can put out in front of the right people. And I was able to do that through Facebook advertisement, okay? And so the thing about it is once we became full-time RVers, that didn't change because I still had a computer, I still had a bank account, I still had Facebook, and it didn't change. So what I have since done is I've developed a course since we are full-time RVers, and I can relate to other full-time RVers. And what I have seen is that many times in the full-time RVing groups that people will ask, you know, how to make you know, an income stream, how to make a full-time income while, you know, living in an RV. I see that question all the time pop up. There's a lot of different ways to do it, and really it all comes down to just focusing on one thing and do it with everything you got. Okay, people many times they want instant results, and for me, my first week I made $975 doing this, and to me that was a good instant result. But many times there's one guy that stands out to me. His name's Adam. His first week he made $2,300 in profit. He spent just over $300 in Facebook ads. Okay, just below this video I'm gonna have a link, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we went to the beach for 17 days and down at Panama City. Went to the beach for 17 days, and I did $11,610 in pure profit, and I spent just over $500 in Facebook ads. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the design I came up with. I designed it myself, actually. And to me it was ugly, but they loved it. I designed it. You know, I put it on a Facebook page, and I market it using Facebook ads, and I'm gonna share with you how I did all that. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to another video where I, you know, kind of lay everything out. And I also have a limited time opportunity that you can get the same course that taught Adam Chandler how to, you know, make that $2,300 in his first week. It taught Sarah Holdings on how to make $4,000 in her first month. It taught Dan on how to make, I think he was, in his first 3 months, he did $8,000, and many, many more testimonies. But those are the ones that just stand out to me because they were some of my first students. And literally got hundreds of positive results from the you know, the people, the stay-at-home moms, the full-time RVers. And we have just started really opening up. We actually changed the name of the course to Six Figure RV Formula, and it's specifically to help those who are full-time RVers, or who want to be full-time RVers, or who want to just make an additional income stream. I don't care who you are. This will help anybody if you got a Facebook, laptop, or a computer. Okay, so click the link below this video. Hope you enjoy this. Please like, please subscribe to this channel if you are a full-time RVer, because there's going to be some things in here that we're going to put absolutely for free that I believe can change your life. And there's many times people ask the question, they say, well, why don't you just give the course away for free? I did that. I did that a few times. I did that for there's other platforms that I sell this course on, and I offered it for free. But here's the thing that I found out, and I'm gonna kind of give you an analogy. If I was to tell you I had there's some junk right here, you know, behind our RV here, there's some stuff that I want to give to you for free. Okay, it's free. You can just come pick it up. Chances are you're not going to see any value in that, and you're not going to want it because you don't want somebody to jump. But if I said, hey, come out here, get all this stuff behind the RV, just give me $50, well, you're going to be a little bit more interested in digging into it and trying to find out, okay, what's this value here? So what I believe in doing, this has worked for me across whatever course I bought. There's people out here selling courses just like this for $997, okay? What you will learn in the Facebook advertisement is worth, to me, is worth literally $10,000 what you're going to get. Because like I said, That first course I paid $497 for, my first course. But that course ended up being worth, that one course, what it started in my life, what it started producing, was literally worth over $500,000 to me. Absolutely was. I would have easily, if I know what I knew now, I would have paid $10,000, okay? And also we got a free 100% money back, no questions asked guarantee for you know, the first 30 days. If you see, hey, this ain't for me, this ain't producing the results, there's no questions asked refund, okay? So really there's no risk. And for right now, you'll see, right below this, when you click on the link, it's going to take you to a website where basically I'll share with you, you know, different transactions of where this course was $497, okay? But for a very limited time, because we just changed the name to Six Figure RV Lifestyle Formula, and we have actually sold it for $497 already, and you'll be able to see proof of that when you click the link. But we're just trying to let it get as many full-time RVers that we can, because we want more testimonies, we want more feedback, so we can sell this thing for more on down the road. But right now, for a very limited time, and you're going to hear things in the videos where it talks about TDomination, welcome to TDomination. Just understand that I have changed the name. I'm rebranding this to Six Figure RV Formula, just for the purpose of being able to, you know, target that market, because that's what I'm doing right now. And so don't let that stumble you. And I will be updating a lot of the videos. Some of the Facebook stuff has changed a little bit. It's pretty much the same. You'll still get the gist of it. You'll still be able to actually, you know, make it active. You'll still be able to do everything that you need to do. But some things have just changed a little bit on the way that the website looks. So I just want to make it up. I'm just going to update it, and you're going to get free updates for a lifetime of the course, as long as you're a member. But it's just $197. So click the link below this video. It'll take you to a website where I break down. I show you income proof. I show you the proof of the website that I used in my first year and a half. I did $95,000 in profit. And then I show you other websites just selling products on Facebook, where how I did over $500,000. So, and there's other websites that are not even on there that I've did over $100,000 in. So, just basically just selling stuff. And what I like about it is I don't have to print a T-shirt. I don't have a print shop in here. Somebody else does it for me. Okay, I don't have to handle customer support, and that means I don't get on the phone with nobody. I don't answer emails for nobody. I don't deal with, you know, customers at all. And I don't have to ship out anything. That's done by another company that I'm gonna share with you when you click the link just below this video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, feel free to comment. If you got any questions, just comment below, and I will answer each one of them personally myself. And we look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks for watching.